We'll guide you through how to stay updated on ChatGPT news. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website using your computer. Once you're there, look for the news or blog section usually found in the top navigation bar. Click on it to explore the latest announcements and updates directly from OpenAI. Next, you can sign up for the OpenAI newsletter to receive news straight to your email. Just scroll to the bottom of the homepage and you'll find a subscription box. Enter your email address and hit subscribe to ensure you never miss an important update. Another way to stay informed is by following OpenAI's official social media accounts, like Twitter and LinkedIn. They regularly post updates, and by following them, you'll get instant notifications on your feed. You can also join community forums or subreddits related to ChatGPT, where enthusiasts and users share news and tips. These platforms can be great for discussions and getting insights from other users. Finally, consider setting up Google Alerts for ChatGPT news to receive updates from various sources around the internet. This way, you can have a broader perspective on what's happening in the world of ChatGPT. By following these steps, you'll be well informed about all the latest developments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.